In this video, we'll be discussing Drozer. So let's get started. Drozer is a comprehensive security assessment and penetration testing framework for mobile applications developed by MWR Info. Securely, it can perform various operations such as dynamic analysis and security assessments. We will now look at some of the key components in Drozer. The Drozer tool is a combination of two key components. The agent is a lightweight Android application that operates on a device or emulator used for testing. The console is a command line interface that runs on a personal computer and enables users to communicate with the Dalvik virtual machine through the agent. Features required to run Drozer. There are 4 features required to run Drozer. They are Drozer, which includes both the Drozer server and console. Drozer agent, which contains an Android agent. Drozer modules is a central public repository for anyone who shares their new modules with other researchers or testers. Drozer common contains components that are shared between the agent and console. Drozer installation practical. Installing Drozer. So using your browser, navigate to the official GitHub page of Drozer from the link provided below. Download the source code.zip file and extract it. Navigate to the extracted folder of the Drozer from the download directory. Open a command prompt terminal, type pip install Drozer, the version, pi2 and the following command and hit enter. To install the Drozer, note that you must have Python and pip installed on your Windows machine. Now type pip install twisted to install its dependency. Again type pip install service identified to install its dependency. Now navigate to the path containing your ADB binary. In our case, it's d/Android testing platform tools. Click on the navigation bar, type cmd and hit enter. Open the Android emulator of your choice. On the command line, type adb install drozer.apk to install the Drozer agent in the Android emulator. After the installation, open the Drozer app from the app menu in the Android emulator. Click the toggle on button to run the Drozer server or agent. Click on embedded server. We can see that the agent or Drozer server is waiting for the connection on port 31415. To convert our host system as a Drozer client to the Drozer server running on the Android emulator, we must first port forward to establish communication between the Drozer client and agent. Now, on our connected terminal, type adb forward tcp 31415 tcp 31415 and hit enter. From the file explorer, navigate to the path C Python scripts and open a command line tool from the navigation bar. Type Drozer console connect in the command line and hit enter to connect the Drozer client to the Drozer server or agent. The Drozer server app in the Android emulator shows that the Drozer client has been successfully connected to the Drozer server agent.